Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts and select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. It can be this one. Now click on edit icon, which is here, the pen one, scroll down a bit and click on change. Then you can either take a photo if somebody is staying in front of you, or you can choose one from your gallery, and I will pick the second option. Here's the picture that I would like to add. You can personalize it obviously, and then click on save. And that's it. Finally, just scroll down, check if you would like to add some other details, and if not, go back. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, changes has been saved, and from now on, anytime this number will be calling you, you will be able to see the profile picture you've just set. So that would be all. This is how you can change profile picture and contact in your device in your Stanley S241. That's it. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.